Hello, come in, break. Good donkey Stomper 500V-HG-1x4 stage sideband bias. This is your power view. The customer forgot, left the 1x4 on, hit it hard, you know what happened. Alright, first thing we do is turn him on. We'll look at just a 4-pill on. Well, let's look straight through first. Straight through SWR. Worldwide, 0. Turn it on. 4-pill, input SWR. Worldwide, let's get this over with. 1x4, input SWR. Worldwide, you see it's good both places. Alright, we'll start out, we'll drive it, we'll take the start with. Let's see. Let's set the big key. What you do is set the carrier at 100. Okay? So I'm going to grab the variable and we'll take the star. This is in high drive mode. So we're going to be putting worldwide. Well, hang on. We're going to be putting hello audio. We're going to put a $1.40 in, okay? $1.40 in. Add back on. Worldwide. 500 corner. This is my driver. Worldwide. Should do about 800 with a $1.40 in. Output reflex. Worldwide. Now I'm going to take the start back off. Turn the driver on. Well, first we'll look at radio drive. Radio drive in the straight forward. Worldwide. 4 feature. Alright, we're going to turn it on to 1x4 mode. 1x4 mode. Battery will slug. Worldwide, 500 corner. 1000 watt slug in 1x4 mode. Worldwide, 900 pp. Output reflex, worldwide, 1, 2. Get on down, worldwide. It's close to 900p. There she is. Just click repair video. Let you know she's up and running. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. You know who it is, your friend Tim, 018 Beavers. Catch you later. Bye bye.